Place to be, and it all helps make Lexington legendary. Going to toss it back up to Ty in the Fusion Core press box. What do you think, Gibbs? You ready? All right, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, microphone like fans. It is a beautiful 76 baseball degree. Don't forget to stop into your local Suntan City for the latest deals and promotions. Suntan City, the official sponsor of the 2013 Legends Dance Team, Hells Bells. Ladies and gentlemen, the Legends are pleased to welcome a very special guest with us this evening here on Incrediped's Bark in the Park in Kentucky Ale Thirsty Thursday to throw out that one and only ceremonial first pitch. He was an All-American at the University of Kentucky and helped lead Coach John Calipari's first Kentucky team to the Elite Eight. He averaged 15 points and 9 rebounds per game for the Wildcats and was the SEC Freshman of the Year chosen by the league's coaches. He's now with the Sacramento Kings of the NBA. Please welcome back to Lexington, Big Cuz DeMarcus Cousins. Oh yeah, good job DeMarcus, and we thank you for helping throw out that ceremonial first pitch before your Legends take on the West Virginia Power. Fans